In this video, I will show you how to bookmark on Arc browser. To do this, first you just want to go to open up Arc browser, and if you're using Mac, you want to click Command and then T at the same time, and if you're using Windows, you need to do Control T. Now after you do that, you will see this. Now here just search for new folder and gonna click new folder and then give your folder a name, for example work, and then click on create. Now you will see a folder pop up right there. Now if I just open up a new tab, then usually it will show up right here. Now just hold the tab that you want to bookmark and drag it into the folder, in this case the work one, and I'll just add another one to show you how it kind of works. So just drag it in there, and as you can see right now they are all visible, but if you click on the folder you will see they then collapse and they are then in there, and you can also just remove them if you want and then they are gone. You can also delete the folder if you want, but these are basically bookmarks. They don't have anything that's actually called bookmarks, but these are pinned tabs, and this way you don't have to keep them open, but you can really easily just click on them and find them. So that's how to bookmark in Arc browser. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.